in the zone where the coders ride, where the bugs get caught and the tests don't hide. In the world of builds and deploys that fly, let me break it down. CI/CD, why? CI's first, that's continuous integration. Push your code up, it starts automation. Every change gets tested, builds get made. No more merge fights or deploys delayed. You write your code, you commit with pride. CA runs checks, bugs can't slide. Fast feedback's key, no drama ahead. Cause broken stuff gets caught before it's spread. Next up, CD, continuous delivery. Every new change moves smooth like a mystery. It's packaged, prepped like a gift on a tray. Just hit deploy and ship it away. You don't need stress, no panic attack. Your release is safe, you got its back. With one last click, it goes to production. Minimal risk, no code destruction. Or go full beast, continuous deployment. Code goes live with zero appointment. No waiting rooms, no ready to ship. If it passes all tests, it takes the trip. Automated flow, updates fly. New features hit while you sip shy from get pushed to live. It's a seamless chain. CI/CD, now you rule the domain. Why we use it, let me make it plain. Faster releases, less code pain. Bugs get caught, not left to rot. More time to think, less stress in the plot. Think like a kitchen, pizza on deck. CI checks if the dough's correct. CD boxes it clean and neat. Deployment delivers that hot slice to eat. So if you code and you want to be free from broken builds and delivery spree, adopt the flow and you'll soon see the power and peace of CI/CD.